The fleeting nature of autumn reminds me that nothing lasts forever. The vibrant beauty it offers eventually fades. It also reminds me that letting go can be beautiful. As the days get shorter and the nights cooler, I really like to bake a lot. I feel like this is the season to crank up the oven and start baking. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Rhea. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm gonna show you my favorite fall baking recipes and konting meal prep lang for Thanksgiving. So let's start with cranberry and orange muffins. This is my first time trying this recipe. It turned out really good, light and fluffy. Next, we're gonna make cornbread. For my bacon and cornbread stuffing, yun na nga for Thanksgiving bukas, November 23rd. Lastly, I'm gonna share with you a tried and tested at masarap na blueberry muffins. Friends and family ay nakatry niya nito, kahit yung kapitbahay ko, nakatry niya, talagang nagustuhan nila. It's another soft, fluffy, and delicious na muffin recipe. Okay, so sa lahat naman ng recipes na ito ay nasa description box, or you can just search here on YouTube. Marami silang mga recipes ng muffins. Yun na nga, itong isi-share ko sa inyo ay tried and tested na. Especially sa dalawang muffin recipes na slightly sugary yung top, kaya talagang masarap. Alright, so in the beginning of this video, I talked about change and art of letting go. Iwan ko ba, kapag fall season na talaga, I'm a bit emotional. Kayo rin ba? Or kung yung rainy season, parang sarap mag-emo, no? Anyway, this season reminds me na change lang talaga ang constant sa life. And that it can also be beautiful, no? Pero, minsan nahihirapan ako personally kasi I'm a person of routine. I find comfort in familiar patterns or yung habits ko o yung routine ko. Initially, kapag merong change, I resist it. Kasi gusto ko lang na comfort zone lang ako, kung saan ako safe at familiar. However, katulad ng nature and its cyclical metamorphosis, tayo rin, kailangan tayo mag-adapt para mag-evolve tayo to truly live a fulfilling life. Kailangan rin talaga ng change para makakreate rin tayo ng space for growth and transformation. Nabasa ko nga noon na ang change daw is not something to be resisted, but rather welcomed as an opportunity for growth. Totoo naman Kasi yung mga time na ayaw ko ng change. Pero nung nag-embark na ako doon sa new chapter or sa change na yon, okay rin naman pala. Kasi may reason. So, dapat na maging adaptable tayo para ma-navigate kumbaga natin yung mga life's challenges and with grace and curiosity. So, hindi ako masyadong makapagbigay ng mga details. Bakit ito yung topic ko today? Well, ang feel ko lang talaga kasi maulan dito, maginaw, fall season, at parang ang sarap lang isipin, mag-contemplate na part talaga ng buhay ang pagbabago at okay lang yun. Especially kapag andyan rin si Lord, no? Kapag palagi tayong nagpipray at naniniwala na everything happens for a reason. So, for me, I try to look forward to each changing season as an invitation for personal evolution, both in my routines at yung para na rin sa ating kaluluwa. Wow, kaluluwa. Let's embrace the transformation just as nature does, knowing that when we do so wholeheartedly, we will find ourselves more alive than ever before. O, diba? Kayo, anong take nyo? Anong masasabi nyo sa change? Let me know sa comment section below. Alright. So, dito, yun na nga. O, diba? Nakita nyo, nagbibig ako dito ng cranberry, ng cornbread, at blueberry muffins. And, meron lang akong mga tip rin. Mga tip na ibibigay sa inyo. Hindi ako baker talaga. I am more into cooking. But, I learned at mga tips na about baking. So, kailangan talaga daw, which na ano ko naman na tawag dito, napatunayan, na kailangan pag mag-bake tayo, room temperature yung mga ingredients. Kasi para mas easy siya i-mix doon sa batter. At magra-rise easily yung niluluto natin or binibake. Okay? And then, for me rin, alam mo, sa mga video recipes ko dito, meron nagsasabing, ano ba yan? Yung sa akin, it didn't turn out good. So, tinatanong ko, binasa mo ba or tinapos mo ba lahat na yung entire video? Sabihin, hindi. So, yun, dito papasok yung tip ko na dapat read the recipe ng buo or kung video man, tapusin para mas maintindihan kung ano yung recipe at ano yung method na gagawin. Okay? And then, what else? Ano pa ba? Ano pa ba yung mga tip na pwede kong clean as you go. Alam mo, importante talaga na malinis yung kusina, malinis yung environment na kung saan tayo nagluluto kasi kakainin natin yan. So, clean as you go. Yon. At lastly, meron akong trivia. Trivia, baka alam niyo na to, pero sa mga hindi nakakaalam, kung mahilig kayo sa butter, at for example, nakasil yung butter ngayon, alam niyo ba, o 'di ba, na yung butter, pwede niyong ilagay sa freezer for up to 6 months. Yes. You heard it right. Wow, kala mo talaga siya, tawag dito, bago. But anyway, yun lang. Yun lang yung gusto kong pag-usapan sa video na ito. At sana na-inspire ko kayo na mag-bake from scratch, cook from scratch, kasi ito talaga yung purpose rin ng aking channel. Aside from living in the moment, ay advocate ako ng home-cooked food from scratch. Sabihin niyo, wala akong time. Honey, you'll have time. Meron talagang time. Trust me. Been there. Anyway, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching. And as always, you guys take care.